Now let's understand what is solar radiation sensor. A solar radiation sensor in a weather station is a device designed to measure the amount of solar radiation or sunlight that reaches a specific location on the Earth's surface. It is typically consists of a sensor that detects incoming solar radiation and converts it into the electrical signal or other measurable outputs. The total solar radiation sensor is a crucial tool for observing weather on the ground. It's also really important for studying solar energy and monitoring operation at solar power plants. Nowadays, there are two common types of solar radiation sensors: the photoelectric total solar radiation sensor and the pyroelectric total solar radiation sensor. These sensors have special transparent cover that's treated to resist dust. It lets in 95% of the light, which helps them work well. The cover is made up of double glasses that's treated to prevent dust from the sticking and reduce interference from the outside elements. This makes sure the sensors works accurately even in the outdoor conditions. Main role of the solar radiation sensor is to provide valuable data about the intensity and variability of the sunlight at a particular location. Main applications are: first, weather forecasting. Solar radiation sensor measurements help meteorologists understand the energy balance of the Earth's atmosphere and predict the weather patterns. Changes in the solar radiation can influence temperature, humidity, and atmospheric circulation and affecting the weather conditions. Second is climate monitoring. Monitoring solar radiation helps scientists assess the impact of changes in the atmosphere, such as greenhouse gas emissions, on the Earth's energy budget and climate system. Third is solar energy applications. Solar radiation sensors play a critical role in assessing the potential for solar energy generation at a given location. By measuring the solar radiation levels, engineers and energy planners can optimize the design and performance of solar power system, including photovoltaic panels and solar thermal collectors. Fourth reason is environmental research. Understanding solar radiation patterns helps researchers assess the impact of sunlight on plant growth, water evaporation, and ecological processes. What is sunlight sensor? It detects the amount of sunlight reaching the Earth's surface and converts this information into the measurable data, usually in the form of electrical signals or other output formats. The working principle is to convert illuminance into the voltage or current value. The light sensor has a high sensitivity photosensitive detector that can monitor artificial light and natural light and has a wide range of application. Light sensor include a solar radiation shield type used in outdoors and a wall mounted type used in indoors. In meteorological monitoring, the most commonly used solar illuminance ranges are 0 to 10 watt and 0 to 20 watt. Main role of sunlight sensor is to provide important data about the presence and intensity of sunlight in the surrounding environment. Main applications are weather monitoring, solar energy assessment, environmental research, urban planning and design. Sunlight sensors are utilized in urban planning and building design to assess sunlight exposure and shading patterns. By understanding how sunlight interacts with the built environment, architects and city planners can optimize building orientation, landscaping, and outdoor spaces for energy efficiency and human comfort.